how to check your order status online on the Shake Shack. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you wondering if your Shack order is on the way? Well, here is how to check your status online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here simply log in with your credentials and once logged in, just click on your profile icon. And there from the menu, simply select My Orders to see your recent and active orders. And there you can click on active order you want to track and there you will see live updates right away. So there, your screen will show if your order is still being prepared, ready for pickup, or already out for delivery. And for delivery, you may even get live driver tracking depending on the service in your area. And that's it. That's how you can check your order status online on the Shake Shack. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.